Oh, 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 oh. That's right, guys. And I know you can hear that. It's the rain. It's a crazy day because the plan was to go kayak fishing today on the California Delta. And my cousin Pa says, if it's light rain, we're going. I woke up at 4 a.m. I opened the doors and I look outside. It's not sprinkling, it's pouring. And I'm like, I don't think it's a good idea. So, plan cancel, and we're gonna go fish on the bank for some stripers on the Sacramento River. Alright, guys. Alright, guys, made it to the spot. Here's the lure. Alright, let's get it. Got me, my cousin Pa, got brother-in-law Dao, and we got one of his relatives. Let's get it. It's pretty deep out here. Oh, you know what, bro? Maybe it's a spinning jerkbait, bro. Something that sinks.
This would be good for a deep diver.
Probably. Cause, dude, like, I'm just looking down at the bank right here. Man, it just goes down.
Oh my gosh.
I brought a what you call it, lipless crankbait, something that sinks. Maybe I could try that. What? You lost one? Oh shit! Dow just lost one.
Are you sure you're not lying?
I don't know, man. That guy's always lying. Dow, you lying down? I'm just kidding, dude. That guy doesn't lie. He doesn't lie. That's what he just said. I'm gonna do a lipless crankbait.
First week, always free. That's my first week when they don't fly.
Ooh, fish on, fish on. Nate, best. Yeah, baby striper. Okay, he swam off. There we go. Oh, did you see that? Yeah, it's a little baby bass. I lost a baby bass right there. Yeah. That's hella funny. I was like, wait, something's pulling on it. And it's raining and these guys won't give up, don't want to go home. That, especially that guy over there with the yellow raincoat. Blow up, huh? Dude, that was a big ass blow up, bro. That looked like a striper too. It was white.
Yup, 2 of them.
All right, screw you guys. I'm going for striper. I got just the lure, bro. Just the lure. Check this out. Check this out, guys. Check this out. I'm gonna use this one right here. Okay, guys. All right, what are you using, Dow?
This pencil popper right here.
Oh yeah, I'm using this. Boom.
Oh shit.
Where let's try take a cool. That's like GPS. I go more shot the side. Like I was looking for the train station one time, and it's like here. So that's happened before. It's not always accurate. Oh yo, me tulo. Lagi there.
Oh, I thought I caught a fish.
Oh, fish on. Oh, striper. Oh, striper. Oh, got a fish on, bro. Striper. Oh, striper, bro. Striper. Oh, no. Do you want to? No, Phong, mama, come on, talk. No, Phong, mama. I don't want to touch the line. Can you do? Okay. Okay. Woo! There we go, guys.
Quite nhỏ cho tỏ rồi.
I felt that shit.
Careful, your hook right here.
Hey, what is up?
Yeah. Joe, I'll say yo. Oh, you know what? Go to my car. I got measuring tape, bro. Damn, guys. Yeah. What's up, Phong? What's up? Okay, that's his lure right there, guys. Bam, right there.
I think that's a 20.
Yep, exactly 20, guys. 20. It might be 18, bro. You got measure tape, or you want me to bring mine?
I don't got one.
You don't got one? Okay, let me get mine. All right, let me get mine. Measure tape, bro. No, I'm no keeper. Huh? What's up, Sue? That's what I'm talking about, Sue. But it still got one. All right, okay, let's check this out. Let's see here. Sue, hold my rod, bro.
Yeah.
Hold my rod, and then let me check the fish out. Let's see here. 18 on the dot, bro. Yeah, that's kind of close. 18 on the dot, Sue. There we go, bro. Sue's got it on the bone collar, bro. Keep on. You got it? You want me to get it down there?
Coming.
Okay, it's coming. You mean go get it?
Oh damn, this is a big one.
Okay, here. Let me get down there. Here, I'll get it.
Dude, he bite right there when I paused.
That's what I keep saying.
Right there.
That's what I keep saying, bro. They keep biting on the paws. Even mine was on the paws too. Bro, where's your fish at?
He biting right there.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Dude, where's the gripper?
Oh, this keeper, bro. This keeper.
Yeah, dude, that's a bigger.
Yeah.
Bigger one than two.
Yeah, this keeper.
Oh, the big one, though.
Right there, bro. There we go. All right, Dow, let's go.
Yep.
Okay, we good? Hey, Dow. Okay, show us the fish, the lure. There we go, guys. All right, Strike King.
Always do the job.
Yeah.
For the tail.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, 19, bro.
19, yeah, 19. There we go, 19. That's what I'm talking about. All right. It's getting really windy out here, so we're gonna call it a day. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Peace.